In this video, I will show you how to contact Google AdSense support. To do this, just go and open up Google AdSense, and from there in the top right, you want to click on the question mark, and this is the help icon. Now from here you have a few popular help resources, but if you scroll down further you will see need more help. They can either ask the help community, which can be helpful, or you can click contact us, which will allow you to contact Google. Now here tell them what they can help you with, so for example payment, and then click next. Then we have a few options, so for example final AdSense payment, AdSense account issues, form of payment, etc. Just select whichever one applies to you and then click next step. Now from there do I have a few resources, but if you scroll down further you can just click on next step, and then the contact options will show up where you can also choose your preferred language. Now sometimes they will also have chat, but right now it's just email, so then you can click email. Now from there enter your first name, your contact email address, your AdSense publisher ID, your payment issue or whatever your issue is, and then describe your issue, and you can attach any files you want, and then click submit, and then you have contacted Google AdSense support and they will get back to you. So now you know how to contact Google AdSense support. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.